Hi kids! I'm Mr. Albert and welcome to STEAM class where science, technology, engineering, arts, and math meet all together. Last week, you finished making the head of your prize wheel. This one. And kids, for today, we will continue in making it. What are the materials needed? Here they are. Again, here are the materials needed. Of course, the head of our prize wheel or the circle. We need also, the assorted colors of paper. We have neon green, red, blue, and pink. We also need paste or glue, scissors, pencils, and this one, protractor. Now, let's start to put color on the head of the prize wheel. Now, kids, we have a pattern in making like a pizza shape of piece of paper. Now, we will use this in making with the other color. Ta-da, kids! So there we have it, the color that we will use to decorate our prize wheel. So kids, let's start to paste it on the circle. Let's start. We will use the glue or the paste. Now, kids, let's write the prize that we want to give them. All right? Okay. The first one, we will write $50,000. Oh. For next is $5,000. Try again. Trip to MSA. Food package. And sorry. Next is $100,000 and zero. All right. So I choose 50,000, 5,000. Try again. Trip to Morningstar Academy. Food package. Sorry, better luck next time. 100,000 and zero. Ta-da, kids! So we have here now the head of our prize wheel. So if you notice, I write the prizes I want to give, but in case in your part, you can write the prize you want to give, like 5,000, food package, toy, gift, yeah? You have your choice. So we have the base, we have the head. Kids, next week, we will install all together our prize wheel. Only here in STEAM class, where science, technology, engineering, arts, and math meet all together. I'm Mr. Albert and see you next week. Bye-bye!